How to fix you cannot send message now for 3 days error on Messenger. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. So on Messenger, if you're not able to send a message because there is some sort of error that says you cannot send messages right now because something you sent in the chat was found to go against the community guidelines, then I'm going to show you how you can fix this issue. Now open the Messenger and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. On your settings, you want to scroll all the way down and tap on Report Technical Problem. Once you tap on it, you want to tap on Report a Problem here, then tap on Include. Now here you need to briefly describe what has happened. If you have said something that goes against the community guidelines, you have to say that you're never going to do something like this again. But if you think you have not said anything that is inappropriate and still you're facing this issue, then that is exactly what you need to write in here. Then you can also include screenshots as well. Once you have done all of that, tap on the send button at the top right corner of your screen. Once you do that, Messenger support team will get in touch with you and they will help you and they will contact you to fix your issue. And this is how you can fix this issue on Messenger. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.